I had an interesting chat recently with the CEO of one of the companies that we manage. He said something that I thought was very smart. He said, "We know our staff are already secretly using AI." And I thought, yep, that is probably one of the most honest things a business owner can say right now, even if companies haven't officially rolled out AI yet. Because let's be real, staff are using it every day to write emails, summarize meetings, rewrite documents, and potentially upload company data. And to be clear, that's not the part that is surprising. Of course, people are using AI. If there's a tool that helps them get work done faster, they're going to try it. The real issue is not staff using AI. The real issue is that a lot of businesses don't have the guardrails up in place yet. They have no formal policies in place, no approved platforms, and no training whatsoever. That is where things start to get a bit dangerous, because now company information is being pushed into tools that businesses have no control over, and most business owners are behind the curve on this. They think we haven't implemented AI yet. Meanwhile, half the team is actually already using it, just unofficially. That is exactly why this CEO's approach stood out to me. Instead of just ignoring it, he wanted to proactively implement AI in a safe way. He wanted to give his staff enterprise licenses, get us to create training videos, and run workshops on how to use it safely. Now, that is forward thinking. This is exactly how a business owner needs to look at this. Not by trying to bury their head in the sand and hope nobody's using it, and not waiting by until company data gets sent off into the nether before we finally decide to act. Because AI is here to stay, whether we like it or not. The smart move is to create a safe place for AI inside the business now. Set the rules, choose the platforms, train your staff, and put the guardrails in place. Because the question is no longer whether your staff are using AI, the question is whether they're using it safely.